Hi, I'm Dr. Anbarasi. I'm an assistant professor from Mahatma Gandhi Medical College. I'm an IOL fellow. I'm going to settle down in Chennai and I'm going to start my practice in Chennai. I have learned about this course through my colleague and I wanted to know more about Botox and the fillers and other aspects. And I couldn't find a better person to learn it from. So Dr. Debraj Shome is the best and I chose to attend his course. And after coming here, the friendly environment created by the institution and the people around, including Dr. Debraj Shome, Dr. Rinky Kapoor and the entire team, have taken us through and made this thing as light as possible and as efficient enough to understand and take over into the next aspect. I hope this will be useful in my life and I'll take this home with a great pleasure. Thank you.